Before peace, there is silence, not the kind you meditate into. The kind that arrives when distraction collapses and nothing replaces it. No insight, no meaning, no spiritual cushion.
Just this. Breath. Wait. Time is doing nothing for you.
This is the silence most teachings skip, because it doesn't reward effort, it removes it.
Presence is not calm. Calm is a mood.
Presence is contact. Presence is when boredom has nowhere to hide. When irritation stops being managed and starts being felt. Presence doesn't soften you, it strips you. If you're waiting for serenity, you're still negotiating with reality, and reality doesn't negotiate. The forest breathes, its unseen presence heightening the sense of isolation and unease.
Most people don't feel. They translate. They rename fear as intuition. They rename numbness as peace. They rename avoidance as wisdom. Emotional honesty is brutal because it removes the narrator. No story, no justification, and no cosmic excuse.
Just anger without virtue, grief without identity, rage without permission. This is where bypass dies not in pain, but in truth. The body knows before thought arrives, before philosophy, before spirituality. Tight chest, heavy jaw, restless legs. You don't transcend this. You listen. Awakening that ignores the body, it is just intelligence floating above fear. Sovereignty returns. The moment sensation is allowed to finish its sentence. Don't interrupt experience with insight. Let boredom exhaust itself. Let grief speak without being healed. Let rage burn without becoming action. Reality finishes when you stop editing it. And what remains is not enlightenment. But something quieter.
Integrity. No escape. No performance. No master. To serve. Only this, my friend.
Integrity. No escape. No performance. No master to serve.
Nothing exists. Only the infinite. The singularity is the point of unity. The point of wholeness. It watches, it knows, it remembers everything, just life, undivided, finally trusted.